Okay, welcome to another video on how to use Mobirise for your website. Today we're going to cover the publish options. We're actually going to go over the first one, and in a different video we'll go over how to use the FTP server and how to publish to Google Drive. So let's take a look at publishing to the local drive folder. So again, if you go to your Mobirise software, I have a website open, and I will go up here. This one allows you to preview it in the browser, the project that you're working on. And this one is when you're ready, you can publish it. So that gets the project out into the world. It creates the HTML, JavaScript, and CSS files and puts them in the right file structure for you to be able to then move that site and put it onto a live server or be able to show people locally. So what we're going to do today is to export it or publish it to a local drive folder. So we can browse, or if you've chosen a folder before and you want to publish it to that folder, it's got those in the memory here. Most people will probably want to browse, and then it brings up your Explorer window, so you just go to whichever place you want to. This is on my desktop. I'm just going to create a new folder. It's called New Mobirise Website. And then I'm going to choose this folder. And so this is the folder now. So it's under my desktop, and then this folder, and that's where it's going to publish all of my files that I need to be able to make this website live. So let's watch it. You just click publish, make sure that it's clicked. Very quickly, it's going to publish the website. You can see now that it's bringing up the website in my browser, and the website is located at desktop, New Mobirise Website, and then this is index.html. And you can see it's similar to when you preview it in the browser, except that now these are the actual files that are being output, not just some preview or test files. So this is the full website. This link does not go anywhere, it goes to somewhere online. But had I linked up all these things to the pages internally or down the page, it would have actually begun to work as a website should. So let's look at the file structure. And we have New Mobirise website here. That was where we exported our website. So you can see here that it exports a project, it exports assets, and it exports the index.html page. This is the only page that we had created. If we had made an about.html or a contact.html or services or some other type of page inside of Mobirise, and when I say that, I mean coming up here and creating other pages. So if we had created more pages in the website, then those pages would have shown up here as well as something.html, something.html. If we look in our assets folder, you can see that there are a lot of things that are created here. Mobirise is created with it's a CSS framework. It's called Bootstrap, and what it does is it creates all the styles that people use, and it allows you to very quickly build a website with some predefined styles. So there's a lot of Bootstrap in here. You can see that any images that you've uploaded for your website, and these all come with Mobirise already, but if you had uploaded your own images, they would be in here, and then that would be where you find it. You can see there are some different, this is a JavaScript file, and this controls the parallax effect. So a lot of the different things that you use inside of the Mobirise, this is for scrolling, another JavaScript file. So what it's outputting here is another JavaScript file. So what it's outputting is you have a project file, you have HTML files, and then your assets include CSS files, which CSS is a way of making the HTML files, which are kind of like the bones. The CSS is the skin of giving it some sort of visual representation. And then there are some other miscellaneous files, including your images that you upload. And Many of these are JavaScript files like I've shown you, and that actually helps you to put the whole website together. So that is publishing to a local computer.